Good morning, students. Today, welcome in my science class, and the lesson is human eye. Today, the topic is prism. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक नया टॉपिक प्रिज्म। ये प्रिज्म बहुत ही एक जरूरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसके द्वारा प्रकाश किरणों को भिन्न भिन्न कलर्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है। तो चलो चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक पर। व्हाट इज प्रिज्म? द पार्ट of a transparent medium that is located between two plane surface at an angle is called prism. In this diagram, this is a prism ABC. The surface of the prism through which refraction of light occurs are called refracting surface. This is the refracting surface. The angle between two refracting surfaces is called angle of the prism. This is the angle of prism. The line of intersection of two surfaces is called refraction edge of the prism. The surface opposite to the angle of prism is called base of prism. Opposite of the angle, this surface is called base of prism. Now we discuss the refraction of prism. This is the prism ABC. Here PQ. PQ is the incident ray. You may note that a ray of light entering from air to glass at the surface of AB. The light ray after refraction has bent towards the normal and at an edge to the second surface and reflects second surface point R. The second surface AC, the light ray has entered from glass to air. The ray bent away from the normal of the prism. Away from the normal. The angle of incident, small I, and the angle of refraction, small r, at each reflecting surface of the prism are similar. The particular shape of the prism makes the emergent ray bend on a angle is represented by small e, is called emergent ray. This is a emergent ray and bent on a angle, the direction of incident ray. This angle is called emergent angle, and the incident ray incident ray and the emergent ray both intersect to each other at a point G, form a angle is called the angle of deviation. The angle of deviation denoted or presented by a letter D. In this diagram, this is the incident angle and this is the reflected angle, refraction angle and the emergent angle. This ray is incident ray, refracted ray, emergent ray. So this is the reflection of light through a prism. Clearly explain the term in these terms. The angle of deviation, angle of deviation. D, angle of deviation. The angle formed between the directions of incident ray and the emerging ray is called the angle of deviation. It is denoted by a letter D or delta. D or delta. If the angle of incident I of incident ray on the prism is increased, the value of angle of deviation is less initially, and it is minimum for a particular angle of incidence. The value of angle of deviation increase further on increasing value of the angle of incidence. This minimum angle of deviation is called angle of minimum deviation of the prism. It is denoted by delta m. Now the refractive index of the material of the prism. Refractive index of the material of prism. If the angle of prism A, this is the angle of prism A, angle of prism is equal to A, and the angle of minimum deviation for a ray is delta m. Minimum angle of deviation is delta m. Then the refractive index of the material of prism can be shown following formula. N is equal to sin A plus delta m upon 2 upon sin A by 2. This formula creates small n is the refractive index of the material of prism, and A is the angle of prism, and delta m is the minimum angle of the deviation. This is the refractive index of material of prism. Students, today my topic prism is clear, and the formula used to solve the numericals तो आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छी तरह समझ में आ गया होगा। कल फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपने एक नए टॉपिक को लेकर के। तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड जो घंटी वाला बटन है उसे दबाना मत भूलना, और वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो उसे लाइक और शेयर करना। थैंक यू।